Hello everyone, this is Souvik. Well, I'm a legal professional and at the same time, for obvious reasons, I'm at UEM Kolkata, University of Engineering and Management. I'm a faculty of law here. So when I talk about law, my first question to all of you all is why law? And people who are confused that, whether to take up law or not, why confused? I mean, law is everywhere. I find law all pervading. It's almost as good as, sorry, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, but the fact is, Lord Almighty is omnipotent, omniscient, and omnipresent. So, Lord Almighty is all pervading. Similarly, law. Think of yourself right now. You're in the house, right? So therefore, when you're in the house, it's built on a land. There is land laws for that. When you step out of the house, let me tell you, my friend, there is air. There is the sky, the blue skies, right? So that is air and space laws for that. Now, I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking through a digital portal or a medium. There is information and technology law for that as well. Am I correct? I'm sure I am. Now coming back, you are in your house and there's the electricity that is there. It is punctuated by what? Electricity laws. And then you step out of the house and suddenly you realize that you have reached the road, you've reached your vehicle. Now there are road safety laws, there are traffic laws, and then there is this Motor Vehicles Act once you're traveling. Now you're traveling to your workplace. Now once you're traveling to your workplace, of course you're out in the environment. So you have the right to breathe pollution-free air, get access to good quality of water, etc. There is environmental law as well. And then you see suddenly a construction coming up on the side of the road. Well, my friend, there are people who are working, there is labor laws for that. And once you reach office, your workstation, your workplace, remember there is an employer and employee relationship. There are service rules and there are service laws for that. There is contract. So these are all part of law because there is Indian Contract Act which governs the entire contractual system in India, along with other special laws, of course. And now, coming back, we are in office, then suddenly you have a fight or some kind of a bad mouth with your fellow colleague. Somebody punches you. Then there is law called the Indian Penal Code. Or for that matter, you can always bring in other special laws to actually govern that particular situation. And then you can be in office for a corporate job. So you can become a corporate lawyer. Some of you might be very good with your music, your dance and creative arts. So how will you get protected? It is the intellectual property law, IPR laws, okay? So again, there is law. So now you see the plethora of laws that governs us. It's unimaginative. It's beyond all realms. Let me tell you, there is not a single space where there is no law. You're in your family, there is family laws, there are personal laws. And there is this system of marriage. So there is Hindu Marriage Act, Special Marriage Act, and how it gets governed. Everything, my friend, is governed by law. So now tell me, can you think of anything else which is not within the realms of law? I would say no. If you invent something, the patent laws comes into the picture, right? So therefore, law is all pervading. Any comments, any questions, feel free to drop in, ask the question. We will be right there to solve your queries. Thank you.